46, a STEM NOLA student's project won first place at the Greater New Orleans Science Fair. Riley Brock, she is an 8th grader at Alice Harte Charter School. She decided to test how the position of solar panels would affect the speed of a car. Brock and Dana Allen, she joins us now with STEM NOLA to explain how it works. And, I guess, Riley, Tesla developed the electric car. So you're looking more so kind of electric, but using solar panels to actually power cars. Tell us how this all came to be.
Well, I made this project, and it's called What Position of the Solar Panel Makes the Car Go Fastest. I created this project to bring light on solar energy and how it could be used in our daily lives. I created 3 projects. The first car was a solar panel that was sitting on top of a motor. The second car was placed on popsicles, and the third car was resting on the face of the car. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you one of my cars actually moving right now. The heat lamp here is to represent the sun right now, and it's going to take a second to heat up because solar energy needs to heat up. So I'm using this as the sun right now, and it's moving right now. I did have many setbacks in my cars, including when I put it under the heat lamp. Let's just say it melted all my cars, and yeah, so I had to redo it and actually use more of the sunlight than a heat lamp because I couldn't really use that all the time. And my other setback was when I was trying to make the cars move, my cars were going backwards, so I had to get them to go forward. So I had to ask my dad, who was an engineer, to help me rewire the cars so they can go forward.
Well, I mean, that's what engineering is all about, right? I mean, you learn by your mistakes and you kind of move forward and learn by those mistakes. So how did it come to be that you wanted to say, let me see how solar could possibly affect the energy to drive a car? I mean, is your passion to be a more green world? I mean, tell us about how the idea came to be.
Well, the idea came to me because I realized the gas prices were going up, so I thought there had to be another way to get energy to our cars without using all our money to get gas. So that's what gave me the idea of using solar energy.
Good stuff. So, Dana, tell us about STEM NOLA. I mean, these kids are amazing. I mean, we have you guys on quite often here on the morning show, and it just never ceases to amaze me on some of the things that these kids are doing. So tell us a little about the program and, what's coming down the pipe.
Yeah, so STEM NOLA, our mission is to do exactly what Riley is here doing. We want to engage, inspire, and encourage students to do things in STEM. Riley was inspired by some activities she did here with STEM NOLA to go further and design her own experiment. We do solar testing, we do water testing, we do all kinds of cool things with alternative energy. And we want more kids to come out and to learn about different ways we can fuel our lives with alternative energy. STEM NOLA does a couple different things on the Saturdays, STEM Saturdays, where kids can come out and participate in activities every second Saturday of the month. Our next STEM Saturday is June 11th, where we'll be doing buoyancy and density. So they'll be building boats. And we also have summer camps all summer. All that information is on our website. So please check it out, stemnola.com, and enroll your kids. Everything is accessible. If you have any questions, you can just shoot us an email or give us a call.
Sounds like a great time. And again, kids can just explore that world of just new things and inventions as well. And Riley, congratulations to you, because it was a bit frustrating, I'm sure, when you put everything together, the car went backwards and you said, I've got to figure this out. And now you figured it out, and now it's on the run. So thanks again. Congrats to you. And Dana, thanks for all the information. And STEM NOLA, a great project.